Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to find out the factors for 36, right? Okay, so what are the factors of 36? Look at here. The numbers that can divide 36 without remainder are called 36 factors, right? This is the general rule. The number n's factor is a number that can divide n without remainder. Look at here. Notice that the factor always include 1 and itself. That is, the factor of 36 will be 1 and itself, that is 36. Look at here. A simple way is to find what pairs of number multiply to get 36. Look at here. If I multiply 1 times 36, then I will get 36. That is, 1 and 36 are the factors of 36. If I divide this 36 by 1, then I will get 36. And if I divide this 36 by 36, then I will get 1. So the lowest factor of 36 is 1 and the highest factor of 36 is 36. Right? Okay. Now look at here. You have to write the lowest factor in the left hand side and the highest factor in the right hand side. Now we have to find others factor of 36. After 1, if I take 2, then what will come here? Okay. Now I have to check, is 36 is divisible by 2 or not? Okay. If I divide this 36 by 2, then I'll get 18, right? That is, 36 is divisible by 2. So 18 is the quotient. So quotient will come here. Right? Actually, this is divisor, this is quotient. So now I have to write the factor 2 and 18 here. Then I will check for 3. 36 is 3 times what? Is 36 divisible by 3? Let me check. Okay, 1, then 6, 2. That is, if I divide 36 by 3, I will get 12. That is, you can form 12 groups and the member of each group is 3. So I have to put here 12. So look, so these 3 will come here and I have to write 12 here, right? This is the right process actually to find out factors. Many people confused with other methods, but this is the real method, right? Okay, now I have to take here 4 and I have to check. If I take here 4, then what will come here? Then I have to check, is 36 is divisible by 4 or not? Okay, look at here. That is 36. If you take here, if you want to make 9 group from 36 people, then you have to multiply 9 times 4 equal to 36, right? So I have to write here 9. This 9 will come here. 4 times 9 or 9 times 4 equal to 36. Okay. So I have to write here 4 and 9 will come here. Then I will check for 5, right? So 5. If I check for 5, then what will come here? Is 36 divisible by 5? Let me check. Okay, so if I divide 36, then what will happen? Look at here. If I want to form 7 group, then I have to use 35 people. So I will have 1 left. That is 36 is not divisible by 5 without remainder. So 5 is not acceptable here. So let me check with 6. If I check here 6, then what will come here? Look at here. So if I divide 36 by 6, then what will, if I want to make 6 group, then 6 times 6, that is 36. So that is, I have to take here 6, right? Now I will write here 6. Okay, 6 times 6, I will write here 6, but I will not write here 6 because I have to write just once. So write this, and this 6 and this 6 doesn't have any difference, so I will use just 1, right? So now I will check for 7. Look at here, 36, 7 times what? Actually, look at here, if you divide 36 by 7, then what will happen? That is 36 is not divisible by 36 is not divisible by 7 without remainder. So 7 is not the factor of 36. Actually, you will not get any number out of these numbers, right? So these are all the factors. These are all the factors of 36. These are the positive factors, right? These are the positive factors. You know that the factors of an integer include both positive and negative. So to get negative factor, just we have to add minus before the every number that you have gotten. This is easy, right? So basically you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 positive factors and 9 negative factors. I will have a blog post in the description box of this video. You can read that blog post. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.